In this video, I want to cover some new remote work from home job leads that I just came across. These are going to be customer service related type of job leads, but easy jobs to get into, not really a whole lot required in terms of having experience or having a college degree. So first job here is going to be from user interviews. They're currently looking for a support specialist, and this is a fully remote position. In this job, this is what you'll do. You'll answer all support questions that come through their ticketing system, which will include topics such as how to use their product, how to participate, where to locate participant incentive payments, research study participation issues, and you'll be an expert in the user experience and be able to identify where any gaps are in that experience. Primary responsibilities here will include manage all the support tickets, collaborate with project coordinators on escalated support issues, track insights, digest feedback, and identify potential improvements to their users' experience, own and develop processes for customer satisfaction, manage incentive payments, manage account reviews, helping to keep our participant and researcher base healthy. Also, update support pages according to new product updates or processes that are released, assist with live chat support when necessary, and also provide coverage on holidays or on a volunteer basis. The schedule here is Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And these are the requirements, or at least who they're looking for. So someone who is a self-starter, always a team player, empathy for users, and a desire to go above and beyond, thrives in a fast-paced, always changing startup environment. Also organized and thoughtful. As for requirements, 1 year of experience in a customer-facing support role would be good. Experience providing support in a written format, so email, live chat, or anything similar to that. So this job is going to be a chat support job and not really a phone support job. So you'll be doing mostly live chats or email or some other written form of communication. Also experience responding to customer support tickets and chats with a high volume. Experience working or knowledge of Zendesk would be a plus. Excited about the prospect of owning a role within a growing company. Strong problem-solving skills and comfortable with ambiguity. Bachelor's degree is preferred but not required. And this position is paying around $22 per hour. It is full-time with opportunities for overtime. There's also an annual performance-based bonus that you can earn here. Equity options, 100% covered medical, dental, employee premiums, annual membership to one medical group and talk space. You get 4 weeks off PTO to start, and each year you'll accrue an additional day. Also, you get unlimited wellness days. So this could be for a doctor's appointment, a mental health day. If you're sick, you get unlimited wellness days. Also, flexible paid parental leave. You do get a 401k plan with a $200 per month employer contribution. That's a big deal. Also a $250 office setup stipend, in addition to a computer that will be provided for you. So that's a big plus. If you don't have any work from home equipment, then you won't have to spend any money purchasing it. $50 per month work from home stipend. You can use that for office supplies or paying for your internet connection or subsidizing the payment for your internet. Also a annual company retreat, so that is another plus. So really good opportunity here at user interviews. And at user interviews, you can also complete interviews or testing online, do surveys, and get paid for doing that. But also you could work as a support specialist doing chat, and you could make around $22 per hour with the opportunity for doing overtime as well. Now, just in case you've never heard about them before, they are listed on Glassdoor. Overall rating is 4.7 out of 5 stars. So you can find them on Glassdoor, legitimate company listed here. As for the second job lead that we have to cover today, this is going to be at Labcorp. Now, actually, this is for a customer service support rep, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. or patient customer service. But before we take a look at that job at Labcorp, you can actually find a ton of remote work from home jobs. So currently they have just about 21. This position, the customer service support rep, is listed here, I think 4 different times. So this is 1, 2, 3, and I think another one is listed here again. And these are all remote positions. So you guys could go through and apply for these jobs. And also they have other jobs here. It's listed here again. They have other remote work from home jobs here that don't necessarily have to deal with customer service. So if you want to find a remote work from home job, you could go over to Labcorp and then select remote jobs, and then that will display all the remote work from home opportunities that they have right now. Now for this position here, customer service support rep, patient billing, customer service. Responsibilities here will include answer 80 plus inbound calls per day from patients, doctor's office, and or private insurance carriers, initiate payment plans for patients for outstanding balances, routinely utilize multiple resources to resolve patient inquiries while on the phone, maintain performance goals, ability to become proficient with process or processes after completing a structured training program. As for skills that you need here, attention to detail, perform successfully in a team environment, excellent organization skills, proficiency, navigating multiple computer screens and applications, also ability to work and learn in a fast-paced environment. And as for qualifications that you need to land this opportunity, you'd need a high school diploma or the equivalent, and also a minimum of 1 year work experience required. Previous work in medical billing, customer service, insurance claims, call center, that would be preferred but not required. Also, previous work in a high volume calls environment with several computer windows open is highly desirable. Previous interaction and communications with patients regarding medical information is also preferred. As for tech requirements, you need to have a high-speed internet connection, also dedicated area or home office for working without interference or working without any type of distractions, and ability to manage time and tasks independently while maintaining productivity as you'll be working remotely from home. Now this job is paying just about $15 to $16 per hour, or your state or local minimum wage if it is higher than $15 to $16 per hour. And they also have quarterly variable bonuses available. You get generous paid time off, as they say here, medical, vision, and dental insurance options, flexible spending accounts, 401k, employee stock purchase plans, no charge lab testing, fitness reimbursement program, and many more incentives here. And you also get paid a 10% shift differential if you're working this job 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. So you could make slightly more than $16 per hour here. And again, you do get that quarterly bonus, so you could be making a whole lot more. All you really need to land this position is a high school diploma. So if you want to apply, link is down below. Jobs like this will be going very quickly since they don't require a college degree. Labcorp is listed here on Glassdoor. Overall rating is 3.5 out of 5 stars, and they have over 20,000 reported salaries. You guys could go through here and we could find customer service salaries. So customer service representative right here, based on almost 200 reported salaries, they're making up to $45,000 per year. So that's what you could expect to make in a job like this, or that's what other people reported making in the same or similar position. And also, since we're on the topic of customer service jobs, if you guys are interested in a customer service type of job that doesn't require you to do an interview, also doesn't require an experience, you could go over to Working Solutions. They have this brand new opportunity which was just posted. This is for roadside assistance representative. This position is paying slightly below $17 per hour. You could also earn a bonus here. Flexible opportunity, you get to schedule your own hours and work whenever you want. And this is what you need to land this position. So caring, sympathetic, and helpful demeanor, strong customer service skills, multitasking to find answers while on with the customer, and prior experience with roadside assistance programs is a bonus, but not required. In this job, this is what you'll be doing. You'll schedule truck and trailer breakdown services. You'll also assist customers with breakdowns, managing service workflow, coordinating with technicians and vendors, and you'll also be working on handling admin tasks as well. So link will be down below for this opportunity as well. If you guys came here primarily because you're looking for a remote work from home job and not necessarily gigs or ways to make money online, then go over to my second channel, which is this channel right here, the work from home channel. This is where I'm currently posting the highest paying remote work from home jobs I could find online. I do cover high paying job leads from some very popular companies, for example, the Home Depot, Travelers Insurance, Yelp, Redfin, U-Haul, Yahoo. Ton of really good high paying job leads here. Even if you're not looking for a high paying or a advanced level high paying job lead and you're looking for an entry level type of job, doesn't require an experience, doesn't require a college degree, gets you paid training and pays you above minimum wage, then you'll find those jobs here as well. I do cover a lot of jobs that pay upwards of $20 per hour. They don't require you to have any experience. They'll provide you with paid training. And sometimes I do find jobs here that will even provide you with a company computer and just about everything you need to set up your home office. So if you have nothing and you're looking into remote work, you'll definitely find some of the better remote work from home jobs here. They tend to go very quickly. So if you are really interested, be sure to subscribe, tap the notification bell, ensure you have all notifications on. That way, as soon as I'm able to release these job leads, you'll be able to find them and apply to the jobs. Also, if you guys are struggling with your resume or struggling with landing interviews, link is down below to the pro resume templates, which will include professionally done resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system. And they come broken down into sections with section by section instructions on how to customize them depending on the type of job that you're applying to. So if you really need help with your resume or landing interviews, link is down below to that resource. But as always, all the best with making money online, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.